My name is Shannon Posguy. I have been a patient of Dr. Hinds since 2004, 2005. My family has seen her. All of my children have gone through her, as well as my husband and I. When my daughter was 3 years old, she fell and in a garage, tripped over the lip of the garage, and she fractured her front two teeth and the roots of her front two teeth. Well, at the time we had been with Dr. Hinds for about a year, but then we had to leave because of insurance had changed. And we were in Colorado when this fall happened at a family's house, and she fell, and it was very traumatic. And we called our dentist here in Waco, and they just were not able to help us. They weren't helpful. It was very overwhelming for my family and I, being states away, not knowing what to do or who to call, and my baby girl just in so much pain, and we're in the emergency room, and they're telling us we need to see a dentist. And so I knew my experiences with Creekwood Dental and Dr. Hinds, and so I called the office, and Mindy was able to help me instantly, and she got on the phone, and a half an hour later she called me back with a dentist in the area that we were at in Colorado to go see that person, and they were able to do whatever needed to be done at that moment. The very next day that we arrived home, we came back into Dr. Hinds' office, and they got us in with the local oral surgeon, and they were able to repair the roots in her mouth. And through that whole traumatic experience with my family, we found out how truly important it is when it comes to the quality of care that you give to people. And from that moment forward, even though Dr. Hinds at that time was not a part of our insurance, we found the value of the quality of care that her and her staff continually gave us during the time of crisis and the time of needs that we had, as well as the everyday stuff as far as teeth cleaning and all of that. They've always been amazing. They've treated us like family. They've always been very patient with my children. My son who's now 16, when he was a little boy and had a hard time sitting still, they were always very patient, very tolerant, very kind. And we've never ever had anything but positive experiences here at Creekwood. Dr. Hinds and her staff have always been professional, courteous, kind, and always helpful, always willing to go above and beyond.